Hey everybody, welcome to the Parallax Academia. I'm Sabraman Akashwidu and welcome to the Math 100 Day Challenge. In this challenge, I'm going to bring up with one new videos every day, and in that video, I'm going to discuss something about maths. So we're going to start from matrix. Today is the day 2, okay? Now, today I'll be discussing about matrices. So I'll basically follow the book of the Howard Anton. Okay, now let's get started. You see that information in science, business and mathematics are often organized in rows and columns to form rectangular arrays, which is called matrices. So what is matrices? That is, we have different kinds of informations. So different kinds of information. So we use this information in business cases for business purposes, or in case of our educational purposes, in scientific cases. So these informations, if we organize them into rows and columns to form rectangular arrays, arrays. So to form the rectangular arrays, it will be known as matrix. Now, so for example, we have an example here, that is 5x plus 2y equals to 3 and 4x plus 3y equals to 2. Now, if we want to form a matrix from these two equations, what will we do? We'll take the 5 here, 4, 2, 3, 3, 2. Okay, we can say that this is a matrix. We can say that this is a rectangular matrix. These two equations can be embodied. Okay, these two equations can be embodied in this form. So we can say that this is a matrix. Now we'll be discussing today system of linear equation. What is system of linear equation? How can we know about system of linear equation? Introduction to the system of linear equation. So what we have here, now let's see this equation, that is ax plus by equals to c. This is an equation. So this is an equation of a line. So this this line can be represented in 2 dimensions in xy coordinate as this equation. We know this thing, right? Yes, we know this thing. And here, where is a, b doesn't equals to 0. And c can be equals to 0. This is, and these things, and this a, b, these are constants, and x and y, these are called variables. The value of variable may change, but the value of constant can't be changed. Now this is an equation of a straight line, Now if you want to write an equation of a plane, so equation of plane, what can we write equation of plane? A plane is 2-dimensional, 3-dimensional. It's obviously a 3-dimensional. So if a plane is 3-dimensional, so there will be x, y. In case of a straight line, which was a 2-dimensional case, there was only 2 axes. Okay, so those were x and y. But in case of plane, we have 3 dimensions here. So that will be x, y, and g. So here is ax plus by plus cg equals to k. We can write here k is a constant, or b or any other term. The constant is constant. Here you can say a, b, and c and k. These things are constant, where a, b, and c doesn't equals to 0. It cannot be equal to 0. And these are constants. Okay. So we can say that those were some of the examples of linear equation. Now, if you want to define a linear equation, then it will be, we can say that, so the number of n number of variables. So we define a linear equation to n number of variables. So that is, can be a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus a3 x3 plus dot 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 plus an xn. Okay, equals to b. Here, if you look at this, is this is the equation of linear equation. This is a linear equation of linear equation. How? Because it has n number of variables and it has n number of constants. Where we can say that where a1, a2, a3 dot 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 an, these are constants, and these x1, x2, x3, x1, x2, x3 dot 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 xn, these are variables. These are variables. Now suppose that we have an equation whose number of variables is 2, or suppose we have an equation whose number of variables n equals to 2. So what will be the what will be that kind of equation? That will be a1 x1 plus a2 x2 equals to b. And for now, if the number of n is 2, that is the number of variables is 2, that is there will be only 2 variables, we can write the equation as a1x plus a2y equals to b. And if the number of variables are 3, so there are 3 variables here, we can say that a1x plus a2y plus a3g equals to b. Alright, do you get it? Alright, now alright, I'm writing it here. Okay, when b equals to 0, then we can write x1 plus a2 x2 plus dot 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 an xn equals to 0. And this is a homogeneous equation. You see, this is called a homogeneous equation. If the value of this constant, that is b, that means the constant here, if the value of this constant is 0, we can say that a1 x1 a2 x2 plus dot 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 an xn equals to 0, and this is a homogeneous equation. That's it for today. Stay tuned for the next video.